Welcome back, everyone. And I think I'm like coming back to vlogging after I don't know 2 months, 2.5 months. And welcome to Germany. For the first trek, we are going to this weird ass place. It's called what?
The Neuschwanstein Castle.
Yeah, whatever. দেবরচন্দ্র বলুন এটাকে জন স্নো and he has got this and this is made of Valerian steel বলুন না আর এটা কি খাবো nobody is interested in it Vidanda yo Vidanda is looking like a balish Oh, anyways, so we'll be taking a bus from here to Nuremberg. From Nuremberg, we'll be taking a train, and let's see what happens. See ya.
Okay, so we have boarded the bus towards the castle, and unfortunately it's so crowded. We're standing in the middle of the bus and there's no place to sit, literally.
It's breakfast time. Here we go. He is Shatogida is only having a burger. Is it a burger? Yeah, kind of a burger. And I have a really wrong feeling about this thing.
So this is pork and beef, and yeah, this is French fries in Germany. So German fries maybe.
French fries and shim. I don't know what it's called.
Yeah.
Schnitzel.
Oh, yeah. Me too. I'm having the same thing. And here we have the others. What are you guys having?
We are having schnitzel mit pommes. It's out of chicken. So,
Sure.
Yeah.
And it's really tasty.
Yeah, it's very
very
crunchy
good.
and it's
And here are two people with burgers.
Yes.
Yeah, whatever.
With chicken.
Okay.
Schnitzel.
And now I need to finish this up and we'll be on our journey to the castle. This place is really it's like straight out of a movie. Our final destination is somewhere around ahead, up there. We can have a look. In the middle of the mountains, it kind of looks. Ooh.
ও কি বৃক্ষে ও কি লম্ব এই যে মূর্তিমান শ্রী কদম্ব বাঁধন নামার চেষ্টা করছে আমাদের একটি খুদে বন্ধু বাঁধনের দিকে তাক করে আছে নামলেই ঘ্যাক করে কামড়ে দেবে আমাদের ক্যামেরা হাতে নিয়ে ফাস্ট বোলিং এর মতো করে রান আপনি দৌড়ে আসছেন কি ছিল এটা বোঝা গেল না ক্যামেরাটাকে ছুঁড়ে মারতো কিনা আমি জানি না
just visited the castle, and now we are going up to the top of the mountain.
What is this?
What's this problem? কি হলে? Well, we are right here at the hanging bridge, and it looks pretty awesome.
And that's the height that we will be walking over on a literally hanging bridge. So let's go. Arey, come on. Come on, brother.
জানা হয়ে যাবে
Somebody is scared. Oh yeah.
Okay.
চলো আমরা এগোই আস্তে আস্তে নাকি? It's kind of like vibrating and stuff. Yeah, sure. The best part of this is that you get a more bird's eye view kind of view of the actual castle. একটু হালকা করে উকি মারো না জায়গা। Look at him. So now what we are planning to do is that we visited the castle. We got a really good view of the castle from the bridge, and now we are walking. I don't know. This is like
to the highest point.
Yeah. To
Yeah.
the highest
So
point.
now we are walking up to the highest point in Swanborough.
Mm-hmm. And that's I can show you. It's up there somewhere, and you have the.
And this is like the really.
Yeah, this is kind of crazy. Like what? No. This is good. Jon Snow.
This looks like heaven. Okay, so we're going downhill. This looks more dangerous than the time that we are going up. এটা মনে হয় জার্মানিতে ফার্স্ট টাইম দ্যাট মানে আমার গরম লাগছে রীতিমতো।
So you guys already saw the top point, and now we are pretty much going back and down. And you know the dangerous part of it is that the road we are on, it's like covered with wet leaves, and you have like a very steep slope on one side, so you slip once and you're going to.
So jai mata di.
Shuman, you want to take over?
Yeah, okay.
Shuman was actually scared. He said that he won't come up to the top, but then he did. So that's the feel of discovering the unknown. You cannot
Yeah,
stop
and it
yourself.
becomes an addiction at a point that I have to go up.
Yeah.
And I think the most dangerous part of the hike down has been completed.
And we are going back to that.
We are going back to that bridge. So let's go back once more where we started from.
So you face your fear more than once and it's gone.
Yeah. We should have a Mountain Dew.
Turkey again.
Arey, where is Aditya da? Where is Aditya da? Aditya da,
He's in the front.
how are you?
You are leading from the front. He's like so excited to go back home.
Aditya da was the most scared person to come on the bridge, but now he's leading our group. And we are back on the bridge.
Yeah, creepy crawly bridge.
The battery is going down, but I think you will get a last glimpse of the castle. Okay, so there's the castle.
Battery may be low.
Yeah, the battery is low. So there's the castle. Once more. Ah, that sunlight.
Batteries might be low, but not
Okay.
our hopes. It's just as high as this bridge.
Now as the battery is low, I'll be shutting down the camera and we'll tell you that we did cross the bridge or not in the next video. Bye bye.
We're finally at the end of our journey. And yeah, we just, I don't know, just chill out here for some time and then head back home. So this is my first trip. So well, until next time, this is Mad Hatter signing off.